Hey folks, JD here, and we've got the Reaper again. Thought we'd take the Reaper back up. I really like this. Such a nice little plane with great battery life, easy to fly. You saw that from the hand launch, boom, straight up. and she's just really great, really great bit of fun. And I thought today I wanted to fly her again. I really felt like I needed to fly her again. So here she is in all of her glory, going up again on a similar day. On a similar day to the one we had a couple of weeks ago, or a couple of days ago rather, whenever the first flight was. So I knew she was going to do okay, so I just took her straight back up. And yeah, just really good. Look at her, look at the way she comes in. Nice, beautiful profile. Come on, that third propeller at the back spinning, doing something, but certainly spinning. Oh yes. And the thing I like about these a lot as well, because back in the day when I used to fly a lot of planes, they were big, they were loud, you know, they were proper models, you know, they were proper models. Whereas this, it's got to the stage now where, because of mass production and because people just want things yesterday, that you can build something out of foam, bung two motors on it, and as long as it's got the basics of aerodynamics, then you're flying. And you know what, I love that you can pick up these for so cheap and you can just have a whale of a time with them. I absolutely love that. Yeah, there she goes. Beautiful. Oh, come on you. I saw what you're doing there. You're going higher, aren't you? I got you caught. Right. Beautiful. Level her out, give her a bit more throttle, get her up. That's exactly what we need. Look at her go. Beautiful profile. Very easy to control as well. I mean, other than the odd throttle shift, which I'm at about 3/4 throttle, and that seems for today's weather and today's wind and breeze, that 3/4 seems to be a good amount of throttle, you know, for her, because she isn't declining that much on the corners, and then where she is, then I can just give her a bit more throttle and just throttle her up. I think maybe the battery's dying. Yeah, battery's gone. There we go. Oh well, that was a nice little short flight. Can't really go wrong with that. Absolutely good bit of fun. Oh, I think I'm going to get a few more batteries, because these batteries are a little bit smaller than the ones I've got, so obviously the weight is going to be an issue. So I want to get a couple more of these small size batteries. At, you know, best part of 10-15 minutes of flight time, you've got yourself a nice long lasting plane there. Oh, and she comes down and she lands with relative ease. You know, it's just great, just really great. And yeah, I think that's a runaway winner. I really do. As I said in the verdict the other day, I think it is a runaway winner. I really do. You know, it's just so much fun you can have from that. Oh, just brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And what I would like to see, I would like to see a little option for you being able to drill out this foam and put a camera on the front of it, or on the top, or on the back. Excuse me. Something, you know, that the manufacturer could get, you know, could drill out for you precisely, and then say, right, okay, use this camera. I got an idea. I've got a nice little camera in the house which should fit on this and should keep it nice and balanced. Best thing about this though are these motors. These motors are nicely balanced as well, and they offer quite a bit of punch for what they are. I mean, normally when I hold something in my hand like this and I got to take off, there's nothing, there's no sort of resistance. With this, I gave her full throttle to test, and she was really wanting to go. So that in itself is, you know, it's a good sign. But yeah, I think that's fantastic. I really do. Great profile in the air. So when you bring it down low and you see that third fake thing spinning, fake propeller spinning, it gives you a really nice profile. I really like that. There we are, my friends. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.